Hello everyone, welcome to chapter 5 of Spanish series of Learn Everything Online. In the last chapter, we saw the conjunctions and articles. Now let us move one step ahead to building the actual sentences, and for that we require nouns. So now let us see in this chapter some basic nouns and the adjoining conjunctions and articles for the same. So see you in the chapter.
Hello everyone and welcome to chapter 5 Basic Nouns. Now we will see this chapter assuming a scenario as if we are in a restaurant and we want to order things for you, for me, or for some people more than you and me. So the basic nouns will start from the basic things that we order at a restaurant. So the very first thing that we are going to see is coffee. So a coffee in Spanish is café. Café. The next noun is tea. Tea. In Spanish it's just one syllable. Té. Té. The stress on the E is important. So it's té and before it was café. Now both tea and coffee are masculine gendered nouns. So any prefix before that is a coffee, a tea, or the coffee, the tea should be in masculine form. Remember that. Now to order anything we need to ask it in a polite manner. So we start with can I have a coffee or tea, whatever it is. So can I have a is said to be me pone. Can I have a? Now what if I want to order a coffee? So I'll say can I have a coffee? That will be me pone un café. Now like I said, coffee is a masculine gendered noun. That is why a becomes the masculine gender form, that is un. So me pone un café. Now what if I want to say can I have a coffee and a tea? Please try to recollect the word for and we learned in the last lecture. So the sentence is me pone un café y un té. Now this sentence still sounds a bit rude, doesn't it? We need to add one more word here, and that you might have guessed is please. So the word for please is por favor. Por favor, meaning for favor. So please is por favor. So how can we say the previous sentence? Can I have a coffee and a tea, please? Me pone un café y un té, por favor. The next thing that we are gonna see is water. We ask for water generally. So the word for water is agua. Agua. It is not agua. It is a similar word to aqua in English. It's the sound of A becomes A and it becomes agua. The next thing is a table. We ask can we have a table for 2, a table for 3. So for that a table is una mesa. So now you can see the word a has become una, meaning the gender of table or mesa is feminine. That is why a has taken the feminine form una. So una mesa, a table. Next is a chair. Una silla. Una silla. The double L has a sound of ya. It is not silla, it is silla. Una silla. Now generally we in a restaurant we say a thing for you, another thing for me, isn't it? So for that we need for you, for me, or for many people. So for that let us first see for you. The word for you is para ti. Para ti. And the word for me is para mí. para mí. Now what if you are at a restaurant with a group of friends? So for that you will need for 2, for 3 or like that, isn't it? So for example, we'll see if we have 2 people or more. So for 2, we'll say para dos. If you remember from the counting lecture of our Spanish, we'll know that the word for 2 is dos. So para dos. What if it's 5 people? So for 5, para cinco. Para cinco. So how would you say this sentence? A table for 2, please. Una mesa para dos, por favor. Una mesa para dos, por favor. Now let us try some few more sentences. How would you say a coffee for me? Remember, coffee is masculine, so a will take the masculine form. A coffee for me. Un café para mí. Un café para mí. Adding to the same sentence, a coffee for me and a tea for you. Un café para mí y un té para ti. So this was a small lecture on basic nouns. We of course would be learning more nouns as we proceed further. Today this was it. So thank you everyone, and for any questions you may contact me in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next lecture.
So I hope it was easy and you got the hang of it. So do not forget to share this video with your friends and family. Tell me in the comment section how you liked the video, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.